Hello, today we are looking for crappy charger for phone. As you can see, there is 1.3 amps from this Samsung, and phone shows that. And this is the crappy charger. This is for car. It said it can be 5 volts and 1000 milliamps. It's hooked to my lab power supply, and now we are taking this and placing it here. Okay, 5 volts. It's dropping. Now it's 5 and half amps. This shows only this low. After a while this is going to be lower, as you can see. Still this show half amp, this show 200 milliamps. And when this is sometime is getting hot, last time it smells like burning something. So far it's looking good. Now this one says also 400 milliamps, but we can leave this for a while and check later. Okay, I have been charging this for some time, and this can deliver about 400 milliamps for this phone. With different phone it's jumping between 80 milliamps and 400. This one shows now 300, and as you can see the voltage is pretty low, and this is anyway it's half of what's there was to 1000 milliamps. And when I can measure this, it's like 50 Celsius. It's really hot. 45, 51, depending where you shooting. But I think it's somewhere this area it's getting really hot. So I'm gonna tear down this and we see what is inside. Okay, I now have tear down this unit, and there is these parts. I also figure out this chip, what it is. It's AD84064. There was also letter Q, but I can't see. There is also only A, B and C, so maybe it's that without any letter. So input is 3 to 30 volts, and output is fixed. I think it's this 5.1 volt, and there is 700 milliamps is maybe max output. This is the chip pinout, and here is schematic. So I'll check out this my version of that, and there is as you can see the trace is broken, so they just put wire here, but that's not only problem. The This one is for input. It's 22 microfarads, and you can see input size there should be at least 47, and output size it's only 10 volts. Maybe it's okay, but where is that? It's 100 microfarads, and you can see it should be 220. So these capacitors are half size of that what they should be. I think that's it. That's the problem why it is getting so hot. And what is getting so hot? I think this coil, but I don't know. I can maybe I can fire up my thermal camera and look what is going on. And I also have oscilloscope, so I can measure this output voltage, how much replay it has with these components. And later we can change these capacitors to right ones, and let's see is this working better then. But yeah. Okay, I have now put the oscilloscope into output, and the ripple is not so bad. It's 150 millivolts. It's but okay. We can see there is 190 kilohertz, so this is what that should be. And I now charge different phone, and this takes about half amp. But when I look with this light, as you can see, it's over 100 Celsius, that coil. It's wild how hot that can be. This different angle. So hot. So let's try to change those capacitors to bigger ones and see does it helps that coil. Okay, now I have replaced those capacitors with right ones, and as you can see, the ripple is now only 0.03 volts. It was before it was 0.15, if I remember right. So it's good. Charger is charging, similar values, no change, and the inductor is still very hot. In this schematic datasheet, what I don't know, but there is no value for this inductor, so I don't know what it should be, so I can't change it. I'm not so, I don't know what it should be, if that inductor is also wrong size. But I think this is pretty much done. This is fire hazard. This is so hot, this inductor. This is not safe to use this kind of device. But comment below if you know what size this inductor should be, so I can maybe later test it again and we see if it is help or not. Thank you.